Right, I've got a question for you to ask your parents, and that is, do they have powers of attorney in place? So it might be something that you think, it's not something that you need to think about, but it's something that your parents probably should be thinking about. If they haven't already got powers of attorney drafted, then they should probably get them done. And they need to have that chat with you about it as well. Now, very simply, a power of attorney is where you appoint somebody, your attorneys, to act on your behalf if you are no longer able to do so yourself. So if you think about people that might get Alzheimer's or dementia, that's where they might need their attorneys to step in and start helping them out with their finances, with their health, and all that kind of thing. So it's quite an important thing to have that discussion with your parents to see if it's something that would be a good idea for them to have set up now. And the best time for them to do it is not when it's too late and they're diagnosed with Alzheimer's or dementia. It's much better to do it while they're young, fit and able to do it themselves. And it doesn't mean that they're giving up their independence. They're not kind of handing everything over to the attorneys straight away. All they're doing is getting these really important and useful documents in place right now, and they should think of them as like insurance documents. Hopefully they'll never have to use their powers of attorney, but if they do have to use their powers of attorney, they're going to become really, really useful. They are so handy to have in place, and it's really helpful for you as the children, because if you're the ones that are going to be helping them out, the power of attorney gives you the legal authority to do so. So if you do one thing this weekend, when you meet up with your parents or whenever it is that you do, have a little chat about them about powers of attorney and whether they think it's a good idea to have them in place. Now, there's loads of information on my website, but there's two other places which I'm going to talk to you about very quickly. Obviously, I'm happy to help you help your parents have their powers of attorney in place, but you can actually download the forms for free and you can complete the forms online. And I'm going to pop the link for that. It's a government website for you to do it yourself. And the other thing I'm going to do is, if your parents aren't local to Swindon or I cannot meet them, then I can't get their powers of attorney done. But I am a member of the Institute of Professional Will Writers, and I'm going to pop their link below because you can search by postcode. So if your parents are in Sussex, for example, you can search their postcode and you can find another member of the Institute of Professional Will Writers that's local to them, and they can go out and see them. So I hope that's really helpful. And as I said, if you'd like to talk to me about powers of attorney, getting them done for your parents, getting them done for yourself, then please just email me at info@swindonwillwriting.co.uk.